First, look at these. These are created using Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro. Every creator wants images that look perfect the first time. No broken text, no weird faces, no endless prompting. Because honestly, fixing AI mistakes takes more time than actually creating content. Today I am testing a new tool that claims to solve all of those problems automatically. This is Higgsfield's Nano Banana Pro, powered by Google's Gemini Pro image model. And if it really delivers what it promises, it can save creators hours every single week. And make sure you stick around till the end because I'm going to try something fun. I will generate an image of me having coffee with one of my favorite actors, and then I will turn that image into a short video using Higgsfield. If you ever wanted to create celebrity style edits or fan visuals, that part is going to be really interesting. So I am going to run actual creator workflow, text heavy graphics, character consistency, reasoning tests, 4K upscaling, and then that fun celebrity test at the end, and you will see every result exactly the way it comes. So to open Nano Banana Pro tool, you can go to this link. You can find this link in the description or in the pinned comment of this video. Or if you go to the Higgsfield homepage, then you can find that tool here under image. Click here, Nano Banana Pro. So we will test text rendering. This is the first test because honestly, this is where every model fails. I'm going to ask it to design a product package with clean readable text. So let's write a prompt here. We correct the spelling, packaging and protein. So let's click on this generate button here and let's wait for the result. Wow, this looks impressive. Let's see. The text is sharp, spacing is correct, no random letters, no distortion. For anyone who is dealing with brand visuals, ads, UI elements or packaging, this is massive upgrade. You can see every spelling is correct, organic, almond, protein, 25 gram, and the image quality is also very good. If you want to increase the quality of this image more, you can click here and increase the quality, or you can change the aspect ratio from here also. If you are creating full HD image, you can choose this, or if you are creating for mobile purpose, then you can choose this 9:16 ratio. Now let's do the second test, face consistency. I want to test identity consistency. A lot of models mess up the moment you ask for the same character in different angles. So let's write a prompt to test that. Now let's change some setting here. I want 16:9 ratio image, and let's increase the quality to 4K and click on generate. Let's wait for the result. Wow, look at this. The quality of the image, the same skin tone, same facial structure, clean eyes, natural details, no uncanny weirdness. If you make thumbnails or character-based artwork, this saves you tons of retries. See? It will save a lot of your time and the quality is actually good. If you want, you can actually animate these images. Let me animate this one. To animate this, just mouse over to the image, go to animate and click on video. You can write prompt here, but I'm not going to write any prompt. Just click on generate. Within few minutes, the image is converted into the video. Let's see the quality. Wow, this looks real. This is generated by AI. Now let's move to our next test. So in this test, we will check the reasoning part of this tool because I think this is the most trickiest part for any AI tool. and Higgsfield is really good at that. So let's check that if it's really good. So I am going to write prompt here. So prompt is written. So now click on this generate button and wait for the result. Wow, you can see the result here. You can see everything is placed correctly. 3 cups, 2 books, proper spacing, organized layout. Normal image models don't follow numeric instruction this accurately, and Higgsfield really made at this. Now in this test, I will upload a really low quality blurred image on this tool, and let's see if it can convert it into high quality image. So let's upload. Click on this plus icon, and here's the image that I want to convert to high quality. Let's see the image. You can see the quality of this image. It's really low quality image. So let's convert it into high quality. The image is uploaded here, you can see, and 4K is selected, 16:9. And now let's write a prompt here. Convert this image into high quality clear image. Let's see if it can convert this image into high quality. Click on generate and let's wait for a few seconds. So look at the result. The result look clean. It's not over sharpened or cartoonish. Texture, style natural. This is actually usable for client work. You can see the original image here. You can see the image difference here. This is the original image and this is the high quality image. See? Okay, now let's try something fun. I'm going to upload my picture, and in just 1 or 2 lines, I will ask Higgsfield to create an image of me and Scarlett Johansson having coffee together in a cafe. And let's see how well it handles the identity and realism. And then I will turn that image into a short video. So let's upload my picture. Here, click on plus icon. And this is me. My picture is uploaded. Now I'm going to write a prompt here. This prompt, I am having coffee with Scarlett Johansson in a cafe. Let's see it can generate or not. Click on generate. See, the image is generated. Let's see how it looks. This looks really real. Let's see my original picture. This is me in the picture and this is generated by Higgsfield. And see, in the t-shirt, on the t-shirt it's written professional ethics. It's a mirrored image, and here the output you can see every spelling is correct and the result is also good. Now let's convert this image into a video. To convert this, just mouse hover on this image, mouse hover on animate and click on this video option. Here you can write prompt. So this is my prompt. You can select model here. I am going to select Google Veo and this one. You can select the image ratio. I am going to select the ratio is 16:9 and click on generate. So the video is generated. Now look at the quality of the video.
This coffee is really good, don't you think? Yeah.
Absolutely, it's the perfect start to the day.
So this is how you can create amazing video. You can create famous personality videos on this tool also, and you can use that video in your videos to gain more views and subscribers. Nano Banana Pro isn't just for artists, it works for marketers who need clean text for ads, thumbnail designers, UI UX teams creating screens, educators making diagrams, packaging designers, agencies needing consistent faces and fast iteration. Basically anyone who wants reliable production ready image. Let's talk about pricing for a moment. Compared to other major platforms, Higgsfield currently offers the lowest price, and for early users, again before 24, you get unlimited Nano Banana Pro generator for 1 full year. If you generate regularly, this plan pays for itself extremely fast. Overall, Nano Banana Pro feels like a practical tool, not a hype machine. It fixes the real problems creators face every day: bad text, inconsistent faces, and endless retries. For me personally, the text accuracy and reasoning are the strongest features. If you want to try it, I have added the link in the description. Thanks for watching and let me know in the comments which test I should try next.